Welcome to Fab Exclusive. How to get 1000 subscribers in YouTube for free part 3. Today's video we shall see about YT Monster and how to gain subscribers, views, likes and comments via that website. Please click the URL given in the description for registering with that website. 1. After registering, click onto Dashboard to check the status of the credits earned. 2. Then click onto Earn Credits, in which you find the credits you earn by viewing, subscribing, liking others' videos. Apart from that, you also get referral credits and promotions. 3. Click Campaigns and then New Campaign on the top right corner option to start a campaign for your YouTube videos. Read the specifications carefully before starting your campaign. 4. Store has options for paid memberships. 5. Earnings via referrals. 6. Last option is for raising queries. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my videos. Don't forget to watch part 1, 2 and hit the bell icon to watch part 4 of my videos.